Welcome to the GestorFinanceiro Net Salary Calculator. In a few seconds, it turns your gross salary into what you actually take home each month, with Social Security and 2026 IRS withholding already applied. Let's go through it top to bottom, every field and every mode. At the top, pick your region, Mainland, Azores, or Madeira, because the withholding tables differ in each and the net updates right away. The tax year is fixed at 2026, using the official tables published by the Portuguese tax authority. Gross salary is the starting point. In monthly mode, enter your base salary without duodécimos or subsidies. With this button, you switch to annual. There you enter the yearly total, which already includes the holiday and Christmas subsidies spread across 14 months. Next, your marital status. Single, married with a single earner, or married with two earners. Notice how the withholding changes with each option. Below, set the number of dependents, which lowers the IRS withheld for each one. If you get a meal allowance, choose whether it's paid in cash or on a card and enter the daily amount. The exempt portion is higher on a card, up to €10.46 per day, than in cash, which is exempt up to $6.15. That exempt part is added to your net pay with no deductions. Under Advanced Options, you'll find duodécimos. Here you choose how you receive the holiday and Christmas subsidies, in full in July and December, or spread month by month. When you turn it on, the duodécimos line appears and the monthly gross used in the calculation goes up. IRS Jovem applies to workers up to 35 in their first 10 years of career. The exemption varies by year, 100% in the first, then 75, 50, and 25%. The exempt income is capped at 55 times the IAS per month, about €2,462. If you work in the public sector, enable the ADSE contribution. It defaults to 3.5% of gross, but you can adjust the rate. The amount is deducted directly from your net pay. Under other deductions, you can add union dues, supplementary health insurance, or any other voluntary deduction, as a percentage of gross or a fixed monthly amount with a label of your choice. On the right, you get your net salary. And with these buttons, you can view the same figure per month, per year, per week, per day, or per hour, handy for comparing offers on different bases. Just below are three indicators: your effective IRS rate, your total deduction rate against gross, and the total cost to the employer for your salary, which includes the Social Security the company pays. The payslip shows the full breakdown: gross salary, the duodécimos fraction where applicable, Social Security at 11%, IRS withholding, any deductions such as ADSE, and finally your net salary. The employer cost panel shows what the company actually spends on you: your gross plus the employer's Social Security contribution of 23.75%. At the top, you can switch modes. Compare mode places two scenarios side by side, for example, your current salary and your salary after a raise, and shows the difference, line by line, in every deduction and in the final net. New job mode compares your current job with a new offer. You can include costs like commuting and actual working hours to get your effective salary and hourly rate, and see whether the move really pays off. Couple mode calculates both earners in the household. With the shared settings on top and each person in their own column, the household summary adds up the combined monthly and annual net. From here, you can even jump to the Join IRS simulator. It's free, no sign-up needed, and your data then never leaves your browser. Try it at GestorFinanceiro.pt/en and subscribe for more calculators and financial guides.